This is Josh. Don't let his good looks fool you. He's a rock star.
I am?
Yes, Josh is a rock star because he practices excellent cable management. Cable management is the proper setup and care of cable wiring. Today, let's learn how to properly coil your cables. Why is properly coiling your cables so important? Well, we want to prevent tripping and falling, and increase efficiency and productivity so you can have less headache later and more fun now. How do you properly coil cables? Cables have a natural twist and direction they want to move. Listen to your cables. Alternate the direction of each twist so you can easily lay the cable out later without creating knots.
Maintain a consistent loop size. Let the cable breathe, but make sure he stays in line. If available, use a Velcro strip to support your perfectly coiled cable. Now you got it. The music industry is hard enough to get into. Don't be a gatekeeper. If you see someone coiling cables wrong, mock them in private or under your breath. Then, give them a hand so they can be cool like Josh and now like you. Together, we can end poor cable management.